How to use personal injury law. Tips for accident victims properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Personal injury law tips can help accident victims navigate claims, but beginners often misapply advice, costing time, money, or even compensation. Most people get this wrong, but here's why following proper steps matters. The first mistake is not documenting the accident thoroughly. Photos, witness statements, and medical records are essential. Relying on memory alone can weaken your case. Another common error is discussing your case publicly or on social media. Statements can be misinterpreted and used against you. Share information only with your lawyer or trusted advisors. Many people fail to seek prompt medical attention. Even minor injuries can escalate, and medical records are critical evidence for compensation claims. Delaying care can reduce the value of your claim. Ignoring deadlines is another pitfall. Personal injury claims have strict statutes of limitations. Missing these deadlines can prevent you from filing a case at all. Finally, some assume online tips replace professional legal help. Personal injury claims are complex, involving negotiations, insurance companies, and potential litigation. Use tips as guidance, but consult an experienced attorney for representation. To use personal injury law tips properly, document the accident thoroughly, avoid public discussions, seek timely medical care, meet deadlines, and work with a qualified lawyer. Avoid these mistakes, and you'll maximize your chances of fair compensation.